Okay, my right verse function starts out by printing the word verse. It then defines the variables verse and I. Verse is a list used to collect each line inputted by the user, and I is used to keep track of the line number for each new line. After defining these variables, the function moves into a while loop. The user is asked if it would like to enter more lines, and if they type yes, it allows them to input another line. However, if they input no, it breaks the function and returns the verse. I also developed a print verse function used to print the verse variable that is returned by write verse. It works by iterating through the list of lines and printing each line with its associated line number. Here's my client script, and as you can see, if I run it, it asks me if I want to enter more lines. I say yes, and input the first line. It then asks me again, and if I say yes, it enters again. And if I say no, it ends, and then the print verse function runs and it prints the whole verse.